Martinez,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I'm here to put Daddy on child support.
That's his name, Daddy?
Well, that's what I call him.
Okay. Right. Oh, right. So how many children do you and... I'm sorry, I'm not going to refer to you as Daddy. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Dave.
Dave. Mr. Dave. You're putting Mr. Dave on child support.
Correct.
Okay. How many children do the two of you have?
We have one.
Okay. And what's the backstory? Like, was he not paying? I mean, what was going...
What began as a casual hookup now ends in court. Miss Martinez arrives determined to fight for her child's future. The man she once trusted faces reality, while the judge refuses to play games. Behind their short connection lies a truth about responsibility and choices. The case takes an unexpected turn that shocks everyone watching.
And what's the backstory? Like, was he not paying? I mean, what was going on?
Okay, so we met a while ago in my hometown. He actually works in a position where it allows him to travel a lot. He just so happened to be in my hometown, and we kind of met at a bar. We kind of had a few night stands, something like that. And we kind of got an arrangement to where he would basically provide me with about $1,000 a week. You know, with
week?
A week, yes, a week. So with my allowance, it allowed me to begin to do my position as a stylist. And when I told him I got pregnant, he cut me off. And now he doesn't want to take care of our...
They met in a bar for what seemed like fun, a few nights, and $1,000 a week. But when pregnancy changed everything, the payment stopped. Now she's in court seeking responsibility, not revenge. Was this relationship nothing more than money? Or did it carry hidden meaning? The truth begins to unfold as tension rises.
Cut me off. And now he doesn't want to take care of our child. We already got a DNA test and he knows it's his child. So I don't know what the problem is. So I'm here to put him on child support.
Okay, so you lost me at the $1,000 a week part. Was that for you only?
For me, you know, he was kind of looking for something that allowed him to have pleasure and, you know, have fun while he's in my hometown. And I was okay with that, you know, because that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want anything serious, like as far as, you know, commitment and marriage and all that good stuff. So we decided to just have fun. And now he wants to cut me off because we have a child together and he doesn't want to take care of him.
Okay.
She believed he wanted fun, not fatherhood. No love, no commitment, only pleasure. But with a child now in the picture, he disappeared. She claims he is avoiding responsibility. Is he simply heartless or terrified of reality? The courtroom feels heavier with each word, as silence turns into heated confrontation.
We have a child together and he doesn't want to take care of him.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to address the $1,000 a week part because that has nothing to do with why we're here. I just want to know about the child support part. Is there a reason you haven't been giving her financial support for the child?
I never agreed to child support.
Okay.
I agreed to the fun part, and fun time's over.
So now that the fun time's over, the adult time begins, which is caring for the child.
I never agreed to have a child with her.
Okay, you probably didn't, but you guys were having fun and had a kid, right?
He wasn't complaining when he was up in there.
In shocking testimony, Dave admits he only agreed to fun, not a baby. But the judge rejects his excuse instantly. Parenthood is not optional once a child exists. His weak defense crumbles under pressure. The court becomes tense, and every eye focuses on what comes next in this fiery battle.
He wasn't complaining when he was up in there.
Okay, so you guys had a child.
Well, there was no reason to complain, but yes, ma'am.
If we want to get into that, let's not start.
Yeah, please don't, because I don't think I have time for that today. I would have to, set aside some special time to hear all of this story. So we're just going to focus on the important part, okay? Now the child, whether you agreed or signed up for child support, you have a child. You need to take care of that child financially.
Your Honor, I would like to say something. I don't want to make this personal aspersion on her character. How do I know that's my child?
Well, you already had a DNA.
Just as things seemed resolved, he questions paternity again. But the DNA test already proved the truth. He is the father. The judge isn't impressed by his desperate attempt. Is he simply buying time or trying to escape responsibility? His credibility collapses further, and the case takes another dramatic twist.
How do I know that's my child?
Well, you already had a DNA test. It's been confirmed that you're the father. You forgot about that?
Evidently, it slipped my mind. Yes.
Oh, okay. You're probably having too much fun. But again, you have a child now, and you're going to pay child support. So, let's get some information from you. How much do you make a year?
I make a good year up around 108.
108,000, okay. And health insurance, who carries the child on health insurance?
I
He
carry.
does.
Okay. And how many children do you have? Besides this one?
I have 2 children.
2 children, okay. So we can give you credit. Well, how old are your children?
Earning over $100,000 yearly, he still pretends the child doesn't exist. The judge makes it clear. Fun is over. Fatherhood is here. As financial numbers are calculated, reality finally catches up with him. His reaction to the monthly support shocks everyone. The courtroom watches as responsibility replaces denial in real time.
I have 2 children.
2 children, okay. So we can give you credit. Well, how old are your children?
They're not in the house. They're adults.
Okay. That wasn't my question. How old are your children?
How old?
Yes.
One's 30, one's 35.
30? Okay. So definitely none under the age of 18.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So let's do some math here. Looks like your gross comes out close to $9,000 a month. Your net is about $6,436.81. That gives you, well, giving you credit for health insurance. And you said how much was it?
Health insurance about, I think it's around 200.
Surprisingly, he has already raised 2 children. So why act new? As the judge finalizes support calculations, he squirms under pressure. Is this man pretending, or is he running from responsibility again? The answer is coming, and one last hit will change the case completely. The truth cannot stay hidden.
Health insurance about, I think it's around 200.
Okay. So I'll give you credit for the health insurance that you carry on the child. That will bring your child support obligation to $1,287 per month. And that's all he has to pay.
I'm okay with that. I mean, it's like a cut to me, but it's fine. I mean, I got my business. I can take care of my child, but I just didn't think it was fair for him not to have an obligation to our child.
I definitely agree with that. He definitely has an obligation to the child in terms of what you all may have going on in.
The decision is official. $1, $287 each month. He is stunned, but she insists it's about fairness, not just money. The judge agrees, yet the story doesn't feel finished. Is this truly the end? Or is another shocking twist waiting to surface? The courtroom turns personal as emotions grow heavier.
He definitely has an obligation to the child in terms of what you all may have going on in fun times. That has nothing to do with me, and I can't do anything about that.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes, make it quick.
I have another life besides this life. I have 2 wonderful kids, a wife, and
Wait a minute.
I need to focus on that life.
Wait a
I don't
minute.
need to focus on this life.
Did you just say you were married?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does your wife know about this 1 year?
Just when closure seemed near, he drops a bombshell. He's married, and his wife knows nothing about this child. The courtroom gasps in disbelief. Miss Martinez loses patience completely. Can he balance 2 lives without losing everything? The stage is set for one final, devastating blow. The climax is coming.
Does your wife know about this 1-year-old?
If this is televised, that might be a factor later on, but at this point, no.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes.
You were literally at my house yesterday.
Okay, well, you know what? You guys are not going to fight in front of me. So
Sorry.
what we're going to do is, do you have any more questions?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions pertaining to your child support? Not anything else? No fun time, nothing like that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
The final truth explodes. He was at her house just yesterday. His secret is fully exposed. The judge silences the chaos, delivers the order, and ends the case with authority. Child support is final. This story isn't only about money. It's about choices, consequences, and truth. The lesson is powerful. Secrets never stay hidden.